Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, yo, what's up?
So now it's time to go home, go back to Bali actually.
Yeah, we are going to harbor and we are heading to Sanur Harbor after that. Back home to Bali. It was really great to stay here, right?
Yeah, it's so relaxing that, we stay here for 4 days, 3 nights.
Yeah.
And we explore all about Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Ceningan.
Yes.
So now it's time to go home.
Now
It's
time to go
be back to the real life.
And today's vlog we will continue, of course, we show you how we're going back, few shots, and then the vlog will be probably from Sanur today. We will see how is the crack back to Bali. See you in the harbor, guys. Just
we
arrived
finally
back.
arrived in Sanur. As you see close by the Sanur port, the shops already open because
It's long
this
weekend
week,
in
long
the
weekend,
Indonesian holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good, that's good.
So now we are just going to take our
Taking our car, and Winnie is going later home. I will make a vlog at Sanur on the beach walk. I mean, walk on the beach side at night today, and we'll see how's the situation. Right? Yeah. See you later. I just arrived to the Fairmont area beach. Over here was the some ceremony, Balinese ceremony, a lot of Balinese people praying. And anyway, I will show you now a little bit a walk on the Sanur beach at night, how it looks the situation over here, and generally it's more alive than usual. We will see. See? Like this one. And the restaurants are more alive as over there. Yeah. Just trying to find some light so you can see my face. However, I just passed the Lila Pantai and the new restaurant Omba, and this is the Coco Bistro over here. You have to trust me, I know it's a little bit dark, but life in Sanur, at least today, due to the long weekend, is more alive than last time. I will now go into the Hyatt area. We will see if it's busy in Hyatt, a restaurant in Hyatt, or is empty. I think it's quite busy, we will see. And then I will go into city center of Sanur. Behind me is La Playa, and Playa actually quite empty. It's so dark, but I'm heading into Hyatt. I hear there's some music in Hyatt, so I think it's quite busy there. However, La Playa seems quiet, and it's mostly some people there are Balinese, Indonesian. Yeah, we will see. Just past the Hyatt pizzeria. Generally it's Hyatt hotel. It's very nice at night. However, Hyatt pizzeria is actually quite busy, quite a lot of people, mixed people, Indonesian and foreigners. I will go now back to city center of Sanur, Massimo area, fire station. We'll see how it's there, but definitely it's quite busy. Sanur is more alive than usual, so that's very, very positive. Sanur at night looks more alive, passing the Maya, and in general still very quiet, but it's more alive. I think that will be enough for today's vlog, little bit different. I really want to show you Sanur at night one more time, because today is very worth it. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. New video every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. So something new like always tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.